Hello and welcome. You're watching KTV India. I'm Varsha Venugopal. Big developments coming in from the parliament as the opposition has now launched a fresh protest. This time over the new Labour Code, just moments after their major protest on the SIR issue. Opposition MPs have staged another demonstration right outside the Makar Gate, which has now become the epicenter of all political action in this winter session. Today, opposition leaders gathered in large numbers, raising slogans demanding justice for labourers. Their chants were "Union wants justice, Labour wants justice, we want justice." This is now the third day of the winter session. The tensions continue to rise between the opposition and the ruling government. Yesterday, we saw a full show of strength on the SIR issue, where leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi and several others stood united, demanding a detailed discussion. While the government has agreed to hold a discussion on electoral reforms, the opposition insists that wider debates are needed. Today's protest highlights their claim that the new Labour Code fails to protect workers' rights. According to leaders like Manikam Tagore, certain sections of the new law could weaken labour unions and make working conditions more vulnerable. Senior leader Mausami Singh reported that the opposition plans to raise multiple issues in the coming days, including pollution, the recent blast in Delhi, and matters of national security. Their message is, these are public welfare issues that cannot be ignored. The government, on the other hand, has accused the opposition of unnecessary disruptions, with the Prime Minister earlier calling it dramabazi in the name of democracy. But the protest at Makar Gate showed no signs of slowing down. From the SIR debate yesterday to the Labour Code agitation today, the opposition is preparing for a high-impact winter sessions showdown. I am Varsha Venugopal and I'll keep getting you all the updates on this developing political story. Till then, keep watching KTV India.